Hey, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel, and today, if you look outside my window, it is covered in snow, but it's also like such a beautiful day. Like, look at the sky and the snow. It's probably like 20 degrees or lower, so it's gonna stay snowy all day, probably all tomorrow too. It snowed last night. I have a few clips from that at like 2 or 3 in the morning, walking up and down my street. They're not good quality because it was pretty dark. So when you're watching the clips from last night's footage, watch it in a dark room and turn the brightness all the way up so that you can actually see it. Anyways, it's a snow day. I live in Texas. It never snows here. I've witnessed maybe 4 snow days in my life, and 2 of them were this year, and 2 days ago, and then like the day before too, it was covered in ice. Today it snowed. So yeah, I'm just gonna vlog it because if you're like me and you live in Texas in a place where it never snows, snow is like a crazy thing for you. And the next time it's gonna snow is probably gonna be quite a while from now. So yeah, we're gonna be vlogging it. Snotty! Aww! Okay, so I'm about to go outside, but like this is gonna be like the main snow expedition. So like comfy warm clothes, gonna be out there for a while, and probably gonna get clothes completely soaked in snow. So let's find our snow outfit. Obviously I'm going to need leggings, and then these are my last pair of sweatpants that are like clean. So leggings underneath sweatpants. I'll probably do like a sweater of a sort underneath. Now I need a jacket. What's my warmest jacket? Maybe like this one, honestly. You know what, I'll come back once I figure it out. All right, I've got it figured out. So these leggings underneath these pants, and then we'll do this little thinnish sweater over it, and then this sweatshirt over that, and then this oversized jacket over top of that. And then shoes, I have some boots that are outside that I'm gonna use, probably. Jeez. Oh, look how deep it is. Look at that. That's so deep. Oh, it's so pretty. See if I can make it to where I want it to go. Okay, my goal is to get to a hill for the best place to see the sunset. There's a trail in this forest, but it's no longer there because it's covered in snow, and there's a bunch of trees falling over. So so pretty. Are those bunny tracks? I'm probably wrong. It looked like someone hopped. Huh, found it. Exactly where I want to be. Well, I made it to the top of the hill. We got the sunset. Pretty. My toes are gonna freeze off, so let's go back. It's like 15 degrees. My toes are falling off. That's where I was. Also the moon. So sparkly. Look. That's so pretty. I want you to disappear. Okay. Ah! Oh, why'd they break it? Hold on to me. Oh. Okay. Not that interesting. Oh, oh. Look how much ice. The whole side of it. Yep. No! No! Are we ice skating? That's fun. Why is that so fun? You broke it. Hey, Birdie. Oh, there's more. Aw. Wow. Oh, jeez, it's frozen. All the way.
Oh my goodness.
We have to. Wait, this is gonna break for sure.
No?
No? No way. No way. What? That's so cool! Mine wasn't that good. That's fine. Great. Gotta get down somehow. Shoot. Ah! No! It didn't work. It's really hard.